The abutment of Changyuanhe Bridge was washed away by continuous heavy rain in North China's Shanxi province on Wednesday, affecting the passage of trains. The bridge is located between Qixian County and Dongguan Town. When workers patrolling in the area found the danger, they immediately tried to stop the coming trains. More than 800 rescue workers rushed to the scene with machines and tools for comprehensive rescue. 9 trains were suspended and 3 were delayed by the collapse of the bridge abutment. Trains passing through Taiyuan and Datong cities are also delayed or suspended to varying degrees. As the emergency repair is now underway, China Railway Taiyuan Group Co. Limited is providing refund and ticket changing services for passengers.